Suffering to a lifetime of radiation and brain damage, Dr. Otto Octavius has decided to make his final move. He assembles Chameleon, Rhino, Mysterio, Sandman and Electro, creates a new team of Sinister Six and makes a cruel plan to put the whole world to a great chaos, threatening it by increasing the effects of global warming by using satellites. So to stop him, Spider-Man also recruits a group of heroes. But the Sinister Six easily defeat the Avengers, and as they are about to capture them, Spidey and Black Widow escape with the help of Silver Sable. So with their combined plan, the three heroes defeat Sandman, Electro and Chameleon during their quest to stop Otto from launching the missiles. They also convince Mysterio to join them, fight Doc Ock, and together they travel to the location of Otto's hidden base. And as they arrive there, the three are confronted with the Avengers, all controlled by Doc Ock and his Autobots. So as a result, they jump into a fight. But in the middle of that, Spidey realizes the technology which Otto has been using is based on all of his designs from the Horizon Labs, and Peter blames himself for this mess. So he decided to put an end to this fight. Even though the heroes have become slow, but they are still able to overpower the three of them. Otto remote controls the Avengers to swing the fight in his favor. He forces Iron Man to blast Black Widow, and while Sable is chilling with Captain, Otto throws mind-controlled Jessica Drew, Spider-Woman, against Peter. Otto is not only controlling their bodies, but also talking via their mouths, and Otto finds Jessica the perfect candidate to take down Spider-Man. But he made a mistake. Peter cannot be taken down that easily, and by using his spider food, Spider-Man easily defeats Spider-Woman. Otto then uses Thor to take down Spidey, but being unworthy, Thor can't able to lift Mjolnir. But still, he manages to throw a punch and sends Spidey out of the landscape. Otto then throws Red Hulk to smash Mysterio, but he saves one of his animatronics to deal with the Red Giant. On the other side, Sable manages to take down Cap and asks Mysterio if he has anything to deal with the Autobot signal. So he activates an electromagnetic pulse and free all the heroes from Otto's control. Let me know which part you like the most, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.